Hello and welcome. I am so happy that you are here. This is your official invitation to join the 7-day somatic yoga journey to self-compassion beginning January 2025. Compassion is a beautiful quality that already exists within each of us. That said, certain life experiences, such as stressors, internal and external pressures, perfectionism, burnout, and self-criticism, can make it very difficult to access or connect with compassion. We may end up feeling disconnected from compassion, or maybe even believing that we are undeserving of compassion. And this is where somatic practices come into play. Somatic practices are grounded in both love and compassion, reminding us that we are worthy of both. Somatic practices invite you to treat yourself with the same love and kindness that you would extend to a friend. Somatic practices invite you to reconnect with yourself, slow down, listen to your body, and honor its sensations. This inner listening is a beautiful way to show yourself the care, respect, and kindness that you deserve. This is a self-care practice that invites you to meet yourself exactly where you are, with no goals, objectives, expectations, or judgment. We create space for qualities like compassion to naturally flourish on the mat. Oftentimes, the qualities that we cultivate on the mat naturally flow into our daily lives, influencing how we show up in the world. This program is designed to help you reconnect with the compassion that already exists within you. Each day, we explore a new theme, all rooted in self-compassion. Each day builds on each other, and you'll find elements of each theme present in every practice. I'd love for you to join me on this journey. We begin January 1st, 2025 with a short welcome video and a compassionate breathwork practice. Day 1 of our journey begins on January 2nd. Each practice will be made available to you right here on YouTube at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. Oh wait, I knew I was forgetting something. I didn't tell you the best part yet. This program is completely free. So feel free to share it with others because sharing is caring and it is a compassionate gift that we can extend to others. No sign up is required. Just make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell so that way you are notified as soon as a new practice is available. Alrighty, well, that's all I got for you. I'll be seeing you in the new year. If you have any comments or questions about this program, feel free to leave them down below in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Sending each of you so much love, light, and gratitude. Take care.